Hello everyone. So, I'm doing a nice little giveaway. I'll show you the giveaway items after I do this announcement of it. And it will end January 1st. I'll announce January 2nd. Now, in order to get this, I need you to leave me a comment based on what you want my overall, what you may want to watch in January, because I had a couple ideas for the whole month of January. I can go off and do the old book pages where all I use is old book pages in order to create pieces, and that's it. I have my envelope ideas. Because I have so many envelope ideas, I'm sure I can come up with more and that type of thing for an entire month. So we could do that. A page a day or a pocket a day. And again, just leave it in the comments what you might be interested in watching. I figured it'd be fun to watch me make a page or a pocket or a tag, a pocket with a tag already in it and that type of thing. I just thought that would be fun for an entire month to just do as a series. I like doing a series for that entire month. I know some people are like, really? And it's like, well, yeah, it's kind of just mixes things up, and it's the beginning of the year, and I like doing that. So, and I obviously have enough ideas where I could do that a couple months. And I do need you to like it in order for other people to see it. That like button has to be hit, and please subscribe. I'm not asking, if you don't want to subscribe, you're not going to subscribe. But as long as you comment and like, that should help. And this is my shop, My Hope Craft Shop, where my digitals are at that I am going to be sending the person. I am making this international, which I normally don't, but I thought, oh, that would be fun. So I have my vintage envelopes, and I thought that would be just a fun piece to send someone, is vintage envelopes. I mean, they're pretty random. Some of them actually look really old, and I loved how the writing was with this one. These were the ones that I thought just were unique in general, and I'm from Wisconsin, so a lot of these are from Wisconsin. And I had bought in this set, and I thought it was pretty, and I thought the writing was really cool, because all of them have different kinds of writings and different things written on them, and different postage stamps, which is really fun too. You could be using the postage stamps, just cutting out the postage stamps, I guess. But again, I thought these were really unique piece to have, so I figured, why not try having this part of the giveaway. Just a little simple thing. And if you don't make it in the giveaway, you could always purchase. Now, this is my Vintage Women set that I had made a while ago. I am in the current mix of making a new digital, but it takes me months to do it, so I figured it's been long waited for me to do a giveaway. I haven't done one in a while. Want to just give something back for the holidays to my subscribers. So, again, they're really cute and unique pieces. And I didn't really go by colored theme, if you can tell, with my journal here. Just tried to keep it about vintage women. Now I made journaling cards and tags and, different snippets that I thought would be fun to use in collage. And then some pockets. This one's of tags. Just all kinds of tags here. This is corner pockets. And this one's corner pockets. Again, I had a lot of fun making this, and I wanted to share it with other people and make a nice little gift for someone after the holidays are done and over with. So these are the 2 digitals. There's only going to be one winner who gets both digitals. I hope you enjoyed this nice little giveaway. And again, follow the instructions from the beginning. You'll be pretty good. I will try to leave the description of the giveaway and everything into my sorry, my tongue's starting to get tongue-tied. I will try to leave the description down below. And enjoy the rest of your day or night. Bye!